Hey guys, welcome back. Happy New Year. Um, I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I've been really busy in terms of just wrapping up the year and getting 2024 on a really good track. Um, but yeah, just to jump straight into it, Happy New Year to anybody that's watching this video. Um, it's 2025, to bigger goals and more money being made on the markets and more success. So today we're going to be looking at US30 and NASDAQ as usual. Um, I just want to actually get in some of like the zones that I'm actually seeing familiar formation on the channel on US30, which we are going to be diving in now as is. But yeah, I'm going to be placing in some of my zones just to actually look and see on how the markets have been actually operating daily. Placing zones. All right, I'm not going to place in all of them. So now we're going to move in, zone in to 4 hours. So as you can see, um, US30 has broken through a channel. So we could be possibly seeing some bearish momentum, moving straight down to possibly, if we can just maybe see, let's go back to the daily and zoom in. Yeah, possibly around 41,700, around about there. So that's where we're looking at as is. Just using reverse. See. Okay. Yeah. So when you zoom in on the daily, we're expecting prices been consistently moving up, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Direction managed to break the channel, retested on this resistance, and then now we could possibly see some kind of movement happening per se, because we are witnessing and we're zooming in on the 4 hour time frame. Price seems to be actually ranging in between the zone, yeah, and the zone, yeah. So we could possibly see it first like range a little bit within this area before it breaks through and actually um, creates maybe a pathway through doing this. So breaking through, retesting actually this area and then heading back straight down. So yeah, for US30, I'm a little neutral on it. There hasn't been clear confirmation because it seems as if it's going to be ranging within this zone here as is. And then we'll just wait for a break from to the downside, approaching past 41,700 or 670 to 41,000 exactly. And then we're going to be moving to US100, which is NASDAQ. This is to go straight on the daily and plot in our zones. So if you've been watching previous YouTube videos, you'll understand through some of the zones that I actually do um, highlight within the videos. You'll be able to see and identify. This is a really good kind of like technique that you can use within your conferences if you want to use it, and trying to just actually pin down to see on certain areas where you can be able to identify a lot of retesting. So now that we've placed down our daily levels, we can zoom in and then pull out our trend line. And with our trend line, we're going to be actually mapping out a really good structure and seeing what US30 looks like. So yeah. So yeah, this is how US30 is looking like on NASDAQ. So far we are pretty much seeing an uptrend with it, because if I were to zoom out and actually add in more zones within this area, which is actually placed in this horizontal array. This is not on. Send this level, and then this shows now. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so we're seeing a lot of higher highs and higher lows. Actually, if I were to actually also duplicate this, you'd see a nice decent channel being formed. Decent channel being formed. So yeah, we're seeing quite a lot of upwards momentum being built. High highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your yeah. Structure's a little weird, but yeah. Just by looking at the movement, price keeps breaking through the resistance and moving up, creating a new support level and continue in seeing upwards movement. So I'm predicting with NASDAQ. NASDAQ is actually moving pretty decent, if I could actually say, because we've actually had a rejection around this level here, which is the 20,953 level. So if we just actually just take out our rectangle here, just highlight this. This is a very crucial level, as is that was not broken and retested on this weekly support line on the channel. So what we could possibly be expecting is maybe a retest this week where price might actually touch this level and retrace again on this trend line and then push up. But I'm also seeing, if I can just delete this path way here, go into 4 hour, and we actually place in our horizontal line in this area here. Change that into red. You could actually possibly see a pattern actually forming. So if I would actually just take it back to the candles, come back this side, come here, let's can retest here, faked out. Because if we can be able to get a right shoulder within this zone here to retest this level here, and it comes back up here, your entry point will be this exact zone, which is 21,400, and then we'll see a nice straight push up where price keeps retesting and shooting up as is. So yeah, I really want to see how this is going to play out. On the daily, I'm kind of like seeing engulfing like candlestick which is green, which is showing that there's really high volume in terms of buyers creeping into the market. So yeah, we'll just have to wait and see on how things actually turn out for the week. But yeah, so far I think that's kind of just like my analysis in terms of NASDAQ. I will be looking for buy opportunities on NASDAQ. So if it actually does play out and respect this level right here, I will be entering buys and holding them, moving straight to the upside. So yeah, yeah, that's me. I hope this has been an informative video. Wish you guys all the best for 2025. And yeah, for more, I'll be releasing much more content, and also diving in this year based on just candlestick analysis and just everything as a whole. Just to actually really given us a little bit of just detailed fundamental perspectives in terms of just analyzing the market and extra confluence for some of the people who are in need of it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.